Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. If you saw yesterday's video, I showed you how to bow drill a hand drill spindle. And we use this horseweed spindle on an existing pine fireboard. Now you can tell that this is a horseweed because of how close these leaf nubs are together, but also how they spiral up the spindle. I don't know if there's enough spindle here for you to trace that spiral. So this is definitely horseweed. Let's go ahead and try it today with this dog fennel. And look at these leaf nubs, how far apart they are. You just have to take my word for it that this is dog fennel. So let's go ahead and cut it about right here. And this will be the hot end. Now, the skin on this dog fennel is very thin, so we'll have to pick something else out. I need more wood than that. Let's see if this... And if you remember yesterday, I told you this technique is only for experienced bow drillers because there's so much troubleshooting that needs to be done. Yeah. Let's pick another spindle. Hold on. All right, there is a lot of wood on this Yucca spindle. So let's do Yucca spindle, hand drill spindle on Spalted White Oak. So here's yesterday's set. This is the horseweed on pine. And today we'll use this Yucca on Spalted Oak, Spalted White Oak. We are ready to do a burn-in right here. Fatwood bearing block. Going for the burn-in. Good looking fireboard, isn't it? I like that Spalted Oak. And the Yucca spindle. It should produce easily, just like the one yesterday. And that's why I'm out here again this morning. I want to show you that these results are easily repeatable and with different species of wood. I will put a point back on the bearing block end. It doesn't need to be too sharp, because remember, hand drill spindles are hollow. You know, they have pith in them, but they're basically hollow. Alright, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.